What's this?
Oh, Stella sent over some samples of cake. Frankie and Talon was helping me.
You're getting along with Stella. I'm proud of you.
You only get married once, so I should take it serious.
Not in my dad's case. He's on wife number 5. I think he loves this one.
Jacob, don't make any plans next Thursday, okay?
Why? More wedding stuff?
We're having dinner with my father.
Okay, whatever. I'll be there.
What does that mean, Jacob?
Nothing. I'll be there. It's nothing serious.
You are lying, Jacob Salowitz.
I'm just saying, what's any different from the other time I was supposed to meet him and he was a no-show? I'm done getting my hopes up about him, and you should too.
Get out, Frankie.
You only have to tell me once. You did it now, Jacob. I'll talk to you later, Flo.
My father is a very busy guy. And he has only stood us up, I don't know, 3 times?
It was 10 times, Florence.
Stop counting! It makes you look desperate.
Florence, if someone cares for you, no matter how busy they are, they'll make time for you no matter what. You give him so many chances.
He is my father. And he's the only family I got besides my bitch sister in Florida.
What do you know about him?
What do you mean?
Is he married? Do you know where he lives or what's his hobby?
I'm trying. It just takes time.
Stop making it a one-way street, Flo. That's all.
This is classic. You love to pick what to argue about and when to have sex.
The hell are you talking about? Daddy!
Frankie, you idiot. Over here.
Hey,
Hey.
you finally decided to return my calls? I put your key on the table, I changed my mail, and you don't have to pay me back.
I'm asking for a second chance.
Why are you asking me? I cheated.
No, we both cheated. And I caused you to cheat with my unresolved issues.
So you're telling me this why? To torture me, Flo? Where did you find it?
It took us 2 days, but me and the fellas found it.
So what does this mean?
I'm in. I want to marry you, Jacob. Ronnie used to tell me the best kind of love is with the most unexpected person at the most unexpected time. I have been a total bitch to you since the day we met.
You have.
Don't agree with me. Look, you knew what type of person I was, barely holding myself together, but you stayed. Even if you don't want to marry me, can we be friends? Because I think we're soulmates.
Florence, the ball's always been in your court, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm in. You invited the boys? And why do they have bats?
Just in case you said no, then we're going to break your knees.
I'm glad I said yes then.